G'day, I'm Rob Napier from Australia. I've been passionate about family farm businesses all my life. I believe that successful family farms are vital to the economy, the well-being of communities, and to provide a long-term balance between people, profit and the planet. With the help of Farm Management Canada, I've put together a series of videos to illustrate some of my learnings as I've worked with leading farmers around the world. The series is titled Towards a Successful Family Farm Future. The topics covered include a 10-point summary of the actions which leading farmers are taking to achieve success, a discussion of some of the strategic opportunities and risks facing farm business managers, a short review of some of the environmental management messages from around the world, and discussions on family communication, family farm succession, time management, and how farm families can prepare and implement learning plans. I hope you will gain some benefits by watching the videos and discussing the ideas with your family. Remember, good learning should lead to actions, and it is important that all members of your family and work team are involved. Feel free to use the information in any way that will be of value to your families and community. Thank you.